I'm down here working on getting this drive shaft in and getting this exhaust manifold off. I messed up and stripped the bolts because they were so seized together. I should have sprayed some PV blast on it, but that's not the case, so those are gonna have to get cut. But other than that, drive shaft, get this thing cut out of here, and then put the fuel return line, or do the fuel return system for this thing, and then after that just try to clean up in here a little bit and put the motor in. And the real fun begins with the wiring. So so here's that fuel line that I got the other day, and all we did was just put a fitting on here and then add some more fuel line to it. We got a little bit longer fuel line just in case. We don't want it to be too short when we go ahead and attach it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this thing in, and then after that we'll go to the back and then do everything we need to do in the back. So now the fuel line is being run in, or simply modified. It's going in. So genius clips. See how it's looking down here. That's amazing how perfect that was, man. You know what? I'm gonna leave this one on. I'm gonna leave one of these genius clips off. Alright, so that's the fuel line. Fuel line is, yeah, that's the point. We wanted more line
than necessary, just
in case, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna run this one along the side here. Man, that worked out too perfect. Too perfect. Here's a closer look at one of the Toyota Genius clips. All they do is run a stud with threads on it, and it'll slide it into this slot here. and it goes right in and holds everything nice and steady. So geniusness, genius.
Keep it.
You know, this one I might keep one of these for
Other lines.
other stuff. So
Get rid of the thing above it.
alright, so we're here now. Everything is in, fuel return line is in, Aristo draft shaft is in, exhaust manifold removed. Other than cleaning inside this engine bay up, we're pretty much caught up with what needs to be done in here. Rest of it now is dealing with the fuel pump and then putting the engine in. After the engine's in, then we start on the wiring and yeah, go from there. So for the most part, I am pretty satisfied with getting that stuff in today. And you know, inside here gets real hot, so we're going to call it a quits till tomorrow. So alright, cool.